Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and on today's video I'm going to teach you how to make ice popsicles. My name is Faron Brilliant and please stay tuned to the end. So for ice, we're gonna need these sticks. These sticks will help us in molding. Zile sticks huwekwa kwa ice. I bought them online at Package Kenya at 50 bob. Then we're going to need this one. This one is an ice cooler. Ice cooler comes in different sizes. This one was 14 liters. At least it's a medium size and can help with the carrying of the popsicles. That is if you're going to sell the ice. So this one too, I can get it for you. It's a very nice one and I've used it. The next one that you're going to use this. I didn't have those ice molds, so I bought this. These ones too can be used to mold the ice. They're throw cups. I bought them at 70, I think it was 70 shillings. Whoa! 70 shillings for all of them. I took the small ones. Jumujua hii kitu lazima utengeneze ndogo ndogo juu zinauzwa 10 bob. Yes. So, okay, after that, I bought mkwaju. Mkwaju, you're gonna need to soak them. Soak your mkwaju so that all the juice comes out of the mkwaju. Hii nilikuwa nimesoak. My hands are clean, very very clean. So you wash them, unafaa kuziosha kabisa kabisa hadi juice yote itoke. Just the way I'm doing in the video, but this one is too thick. So I'll have to wash it twice. Nilieka maji kidogo. After washing it twice, I'm just going to transfer it to something else. Like the way I'm doing. So I washed the first round. After washing the first round, bado ilikuwa imebaki na some juice. So nilieka kwa maji ya pili. Nikaendelea kuosha juu sitaki, umejua okay, mkwaju is sold in town. If you're in Nairobi, you can buy them in the streets. A packet goes for 50 bob. So this is just one packet. I didn't want to overdo it. So I just bought this for one packet. Na hii imetosha. Juu pia sitaki ikuwe concentrated sana. Nataka tu ikuwe na hiyo taste. Juu I'm making ice za ukwaju. Oh, sijui kama ni mkwaju ama okay, the tamarind. I heard that the tamarind mkwaju, it's the plant and ukwaju is the thing. So I'm making the okay, let me just use the word tamarind because man, I don't know. I don't know how to use the other words. Okay, so as I was saying, I washed them thoroughly. After washing, nikaeka kwa jug. Transferred everything in the jug because I wanted only the juice, and then the other part nikaenda tupa. So just like you can see on the camera, washing. So you wash your tamarind hadi upate hiyo nini yote imetoka, then you separate, then you put them in a jug. You can put them anywhere else, but me I chose to put them in a jug, the juice, because after that naenda kuzichemsha. So bado natoatoa, hazijaisha. So I'm still toaring. Okay, nimemaliza kuziosha, so nataka nibaki na maji. Maji ya ukwaju. So natoanisha. Nibaki na maji ya ukwaju. But don't worry about my hands, they're very clean. I've washed them. And there is no better way of doing this apart from using your hands. That's why I'm using my hands. Yeah. So nikaosha. Unaona venye zimetoka? Actually zimetoka vizuri sana. Vizuri sana. Hakuna ukwaju inaenda into waste. The only thing remaining is the seeds. So I'm just gonna transfer it to the jug. Unaona venye ni thick? I'll transfer to the jug, then add some water because man, this is too thick. See? It still needs water. After that, nitaenda niweke kwa sufuria. So while putting in the sufuria, unafaa kusieve. You sieve it, unabaki na hiyo maji plain without those things. So I was trying to sieve, but my sieve is too small. Imagine having to sieve hiyo ukwaju yote na hiyo sieve ndogo kama hiyo. So what I did, nilikuwa naeka tu kidogo kidogo ikiblock, cause mjue hizo vitu zina block the sieve. So whenever it blocks, I return na gonga gonga hadi isieve yote. So after that you sieve as you boil actually. Umefungua meko iboil kabisa. Umejua ukwaju inakuanga na some things. Some have small insects, so you'd rather sieve ukuwe na kitu safi, something that won't disturb your stomach. Yeah, una sieve so ndio ikuwe safi, alafu unachemsha hadi itokote vizuri. We need to take care of ourselves, so you just don't eat things anyhow. Yes, so I went on and sieved everything. So after sieving, I left the sufuria there. Nikaongeza maji. Actually niliongeza maji kidogo, reason being the mkwaju was too thick, and if it's too thick itaanza kuchomeka na chini na ikwame kwa sufuria. So nilienda nikaongeza maji. I didn't show that on the screen. After kuongeza maji, what I did, nikafunika. So what I'll be doing, nitakuwa nakuja na check venye inachemka, na koroga isishike chini hadi time itatokota. Yeah, so that's basically what you do. After that, let's give it some time to chemka, then see what next. Bora uangalie isichomeke na chini. So we are making ice popsicles. So hizi ice popsicles you can just eat them at home ama uende uziuze. Another thing, you can add sugar. Yeah, I added sugar to mine to make it dissolve fast and to taste. Hiyo time ilikuwa kwa meko, nikaongeza sugar to make it dissolve and to make it taste. Ndio hiyo. So acha tungoje dissolve. So after that, tuseme ilikuwa ishaisha, like ilikuwa ishaiva. So I transferred it to the jugs. Hiyo jug ilioshwa tena ndo nikaeka. Ndo hizo. And then as I told you, I took throw cups. Throw cups ndo natumia kumold. So ndo hizo nishazipanga hapo. Nimepanga each throw cup na kastick yake ya kushika ice. Okay, this one, with this ice, I didn't want to add so many additives. You can add food color ukipenda. So I didn't want to do that. I just wanted it to taste ukwaju. So there you go. Nikaziserve kwa cups. After serving kwa cups, naeka stick. Na serve kwa cup, throw cup, naeka stick. Reason for using throw cup, I didn't have the molds, so I'm going to use the throw cups to mold. Inaitwa kutumia on budget, things you can afford. Then hii nilikuwa nimeweka food color. Let's see how the color. Ukiweka food color inakaaje? I had to try that. Okay, ukiweka food color, it gives it that uniform color, unaona? So ukitaka kuweka food color ni sawa, food color. You just put kidogo and then tutaona venye itatokea. Actually, this is my first time trying this. So this is one without, and this one, the second one is one with food color. Yeah, wacha tuone venye itakaa. Umejua hii ni kitu ya business bana. You can sell these things. They are meant for business. So usi-exaggerate ume mtu tumbo. Kidogo kidogo tu. 1 at 10 bob. Okay, so ndo hizo tushamaliza kuweka. We're done serving. We want to go and put them in the freezer freezer ishike baridi, ikue ice. Naona they look smart. Tumeka as a food color na bila food color. We will see the results zikitoka kwa fridge, but they really look beautiful. I love them. Hii ikishika vizuri kesho. Okay, I'll leave them overnight in the freezer. Ikishika vizuri kesho, kumi kumi hapa, kumi kumi hapa. You know, as a woman, you must learn how to make money, bana. You must learn how to make money. At least having your own money will save you from a lot of things. So if you're a stay-at-home mom, or kama for example saya una job, unaangalia kitu ya kufanya, you try this business. So the next day ndo hizo zishakuwa ice. We boss, ndo hizo tushazimake zishakuwa ice. So we're just going to remove them from these throw cups. You don't sell them with the throw cups. Throw cups utaosha, they'll be used for another thing. So for you to remove them easily, unachukua maji kwa kikombe, unazidip, unadip the throw cup, alafu unatoa. So easy. Maji unaweka tu kwa kikombe, au uingizi ndani ya ati sasa unamwaga maji kwa hiyo ndani ya throw cup. Hapana, maji isiende ice, just on the nje ya kikombe, alafu una dip, alafu unatoa. Hivyo ndo zinakaa. That's how they look like. Zilishika poa, but now the tamarind haikusettle vizuri wenye kuwa nataka. Part ingine iko white, part ingine iko brown, but either way it still tastes good. The whole thing tastes good. So next time I think I will prefer using a flavor so that the color is uniform. Yeah, I'll prefer using a flavor. So this one I'm going to sell 10 each. Money bana, money. So there is our cooler. So we're just going to package. We're going to package them for sale. Package them for sale. I'm tired, man. So there you go. We have already packaged the ice for sale. Unaona venye ni safi. Nimetumia jwala safi, nika package, nikafunika. A very clean one. So guys, thank you for watching. If you really want to try this business, try it. Even ndo zinamekiwa at home, but if you can't make them, you can just buy ready-made and then sell. Thank you for watching my video. Until next time, I really appreciate, and I'll tell you how it went down. Bye bye guys, till next time. Bye.